Well, I was looking over here at Marty Lee's plate he got from Jack's, which we got 2 big breasts in another bag. But look how pretty that daggone biscuit is, y'all. That sucker is beautiful. Look. Oh, my goodness. What a beautiful plate. Now, what the hell happened to my biscuit? Why? And that's a leg, y'all. A crusted up leg.
Yeah.
Not a thigh like Marty's got. But y'all got a breast over here in the bag too. But what the hell? What happened? Do it, baby.
What happened?
Exactly. What Marley said.